Hey there, little ones. Today, we're going to learn and fun with the alphabets. So, let's get started. A is for apple, a tasty fruit we love. B is for ball, a fun thing to throw. C is for cat, a cute little pet. D is for dog, a furry friend. E is for elephant, a big and mighty beast. F is for fish, a creature of the sea. G is for giraffe, a tall and graceful animal. H is for horse, a strong and swift steed. I is for ice cream, a yummy treat. J is for jellyfish, a beautiful creature of the sea. K is for kite, a fun thing to fly. L is for lion, a majestic beast. M is for mouse, a tiny little creature. N is for night, a time to sleep. O is for octopus, a clever and curious creature. P is for penguin, a cute and cuddly animal. Q is for queen, a wise and powerful leader. R is for rabbit, a cute and fluffy animal. S is for sun, a bright and shining star. T is for turtle, a slow and steady creature. U is for umbrella, a useful thing to have. V is for vase, a beautiful and decorative item. W is for water, a vital resource. X is for xylophone, a musical instrument. Y is for yellow, a bright and cheerful color. Z is for zebra, a striped and beautiful animal. And that's the end of our alphabet story. Thanks for joining me, little ones. Remember, learning can be fun and catchy. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more fun and educational content. Until next time, stay curious and keep learning.